Every business owner wants to avoid costly accounting mistakes. But without the right processes in place, it's really easy for some common errors to sneak in. Hi, I'm Ashley Faddis with Beckley Associates. Today, we're going to look at 3 frequent accounting mistakes and how, as a business owner, you can avoid them. First, the mistake is mixing business and personal finances. When you use one account for both, it can create confusion, complicate taxes, and also make it much harder to track your business's financial health accurately. To avoid this, we recommend opening a separate business account and using a business credit card for any business expenses to keep them completely separate. Second, neglecting regular bookkeeping. Letting those bookkeeping tasks pile up can lead to rushed updates, missed details, especially when it comes to doing your taxes around tax season. A simple way to avoid this is to create regular routine updates and use accounting software like QuickBooks to streamline your processes. Third, ignoring your cash flow. If you focus only on profits without tracking cash flow, this can lead to shortages, unpaid bills, and added stress. To prevent this, we recommend reviewing cash flow statements monthly and also setting aside funds during your really profitable months to cover those slower periods when you think about your seasonality. Now, these common mistakes can really lead to big issues, but with just a few proactive steps, you can keep your business finances in order. If you do need help managing your accounting, our team at Beckley Associates is here to help you. Let's make accounting easier, keep you on the right track, and allow you to focus on what matters most, your business.